Hello everyone. Welcome back to Crypto Loki YouTube channel. In today's video I am going to share detail about Toobit exchange, and this is the third anniversary about how we can get started into reward campaign. I am going to share each and everything about it. So for the grand prize there is also near to $3.5 million you bought, and how you can become a member on this campaign. I am going to show you each and everything. So first you have to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for upcoming videos notification, and yes, here on the campaign link I will provide, because 2bit celebrating third anniversary with 3.5 million prize pool reward as Porsche Govetu. So here is also terrific. This is the birthday showdown, and how you are going to participate. What are the reward as for luxury? People can also get started into it. This is the time when it has been started. If you want to know how much time is required, then there is countdown. After 26 days later it will be end. Before that you can easily register your account. For the first time on the 2bit, you can also create an account. For that you can put your email, phone number, password and refer code in video description I will provide, and after that you can sign up your account. If you have already account, you can also log in, or you can also go ahead where you can proceed with Google, Apple ID or Telegram to log in. After one captcha you can easily go ahead. Here you can also check out how we are proceeding to complete this captcha successfully, and then you will also log in. Like there is option, and we have to proceed that it should be resolved. So there is captcha and we need to proceed it. Here you can also check out that there should be accurate as a star wise. So now if it is okay, then you will proceed. So this is secure, and we have received a code on our email, and then after successfully verification we will log in. So now let's explore 3.5 million. That is also here. You can also check out how it looks like once you join, and there how much time is the rest. You can also register your account. You can also go ahead and click on the register option if you want to be in this campaign. So you just need to click on the register option. Your registration will be successfully and you will be a participant of this event. And now what you have to do, here you can check, this is the campaign grand prize. For that you can also be participate, and here are some mission reward. You can also check if you want to click on the get started. Then there are La Liga match. There you can also check out what you are going to complete reward, and there is Porsche taken reward as for scratching. If you have chance, then you can proceed. And my friends, after that there are some missions like first deposit. You need to deposit at least $30, and then you will also be given one draw chance. And then second, for the future trade, you can also go ahead on the 2bit for future trade, and then you can also get one chance. There is for the first spot trade, and here you can also complete your copy trading event contract. There is also many other subscription, future grade, DCA and all these tasks that is going to offering you some draws. If you will invite friends, then you can also be given here $5 reward, and there are $3 chances too. So there are some schedule, registration, team formation, joining team, what their team have completed. You can also check all the detail about it. So in this way, if you want to come here on the interface like how this exchange is working, then you can easily find here on the home interface there are all the event details, what is upcoming, what is going on in which you can participate, you have chance. And after that you can analyze crypto dx TradeFi on single interface with multiple experience. And here you can analyze the crypto market, how it is going to increasing its worth. And next you can check out the statistics about how much number of trading volume that have been covered within the last 24 hours. You can check out, and here you can deposit and start your new epic journey in the number one 2-bit, and with that is safe. You can download the application right now on your mobile phone for smoother experience. And if you want to join, then I will provide a link in video descriptions too. So in this way you can also find out how it works and how you are going to scratch your chance to be in this campaign that I have shown you. And still, if you want to become their member, then most of welcome to you. Now friends, you can check out, this is the graph, and where you can analyze how graph and where buy sell can be happen. And in this way you can also come on the 2-bit to participate in the event. If you want to come on the page where spot market on March, where you can also register yourself, like here is very simple. After logging to the 2-bit exchange that is also going to celebrating third anniversary, and after successfully, and then you will also proceed to be registered in it. Your registration will be successfully done and all these things will be set. And for this campaign you can also complete your first, second, and other. For that you can also deposit, start your trading experience, and then your draw will be given. So I hope you understand how it is very useful for the people to come. And if you want to know further information, so now follow them on their official Twitter, where you can also check all the details. And here you can also check 2-bit third anniversary reward, and you can also join yourself as the next member on it. So if you want to discuss with their team, that is available in their Telegram group and Discord, where you are welcome to join as community member and participant. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next video. Till then, take care and share your drop in comment box.